Look at that pretty truck right there. Baba Jenkins. Maybe good eating booty like it's groceries. What are you eating, Baba Jenkins? Is it good or is it bad? Very, very stinky.